to a new video. So I'm going to be doing a full press on nail set for this video. So I've taken all of my sizes that the customer has asked for. I've secured them with blue tack, and I'm using a 180 grit file just to take off the little nubbin at the end, and buffing over with a buffing block just to key the surface so that things can stick. Dust over with a fluffy brush. That removes all the dust, and then we are ready for base coat. Now these are like half see-through, half clear press on nails. The product name is Iced Tips, and I've just been so busy. I haven't really had time to do a video for you, so I thought, you know, while I'm doing orders, maybe I'll just record while I'm doing orders. So, taking Perfect White from Madame Glam and their Ultra Liner brush, I'm creating a French, just drawing the outline to begin with, because the top half of the nail, like the cuticle down to that line that I'm drawing, that's going to be all white, and then the tips are going to be clear. So I made a little boo-boo. So I'm just going to use the lint-free wipe just to wipe it away. But that line is just to like a guideline almost. Once I've put the white on now, you'll get a better idea at where you need to touch up, where you need to add to that line, the original line. Like, oh, we need a little bit more on the left, or, you know. So give that a cure after you've finished faffing about. And it takes 30 seconds in your nail lamp for Madame Glam, which is amazing. Don't forget to use code LittleNailRoom30_1 to save 30% at Madame Glam. Do 2 coats of the Perfect White, and then we're going to get the Perfect Black, and using the same brush we're going to outline the white, and I want it a little bit thicker, you know, like the centre of the French, and then thinner walls, and faff till you're happy and go to cure. I love this design. I think it's absolutely perfect for prom, a bridal design, like if you're a bride or a bridesmaid or mother of the bride or maid of honour, whatever, or you go into a wedding, or they're great for Christmas or New Year. They're just so beautiful and elegant. I love them. So once you've got all your black lines on, give them a cure, and then get some venom, some black spider gel, tiny dotting tool, and the middle and the ring finger are going to have some really, really thin lines. If you haven't got spider gel, I originally did this with just gel polish and the thinnest brush, so you know it can be done. It's just so much easier with spider gel. So I want the middle finger, the diagonal line going down to the right, and then the ring finger, the diagonal line going down to the left, so that they kind of match up diagonally, and then do the opposite on the opposite side, on your opposite hand. I gave them a minute cure, and then I'm taking my Rhinestone Glue Gel from a cart, because I mean everyone uses it now, it's fan-dabby-dozy. Putting 3 little blobs over those lines, but not in a straight line. And then I'm going to get some sheen, tiny crystals, AB crystals, rhinestones, whatever you want to call them. The smallest ones, and where I put that glue gel, I'm going to plop 3 crystals down. Don't cure it yet though. I'm going to take some No Wipe top coat from Madame Glam and gently go around those rhinestones, smoothing out any of that glue gel that is showing or is protruding or whatever. And then before curing that, I think I put 4 on. I used to put 3 on, but I'll put 4 on now. of the tiny little silver caviar beads, the smallest ones I have, and then I will give it a full cure. It's so pretty, I love it. Right, now I will top coat all of them, obviously apart from the ones that we've already top coated, the ones with the crystals, the rhinestones on, they've already been done. So those three, give them a cure, and then I flip them over. Now I'm not worrying about the blue tack that's showing on the underside, as long as it's not touching the clear tip, the free edge. If it's touching the free edge, I will get rid of it. So because press-ons, they have the little number, don't they, on the tips, and because they're going to be clear tips, we don't want to see that, we don't want to see the number. So on the two that have got the crystals on, get a bit of top coat, just go over the numbers and they just blend away. On the three that are plain on the other side, base coat, don't cure it, get some silver foil, smush it all up, smush it around into that base coat, just using that tiny dotting tool, and it works so well. And I only put this like on the one side of the tip of the nail, and then some lovely hollow glitter, because hollow, it's amazing, love it. So just on those three, give it a cure, and then I will seal all that in, because you don't want to fill that, do you, on the underside, with top coat, no wipe top coat, making sure that it just goes on where you've put the foil and the glitter. Don't go near that blue tack. If it's easier, just take all the blue tack away first. I was just being super lazy and I was in a bit of a rush. We had a family gathering to get to, so I only had an hour and a half, an hour and 45 minutes to get these done, get these packaged and film at the same time. So but I didn't touch any blue tack, so it's all good. So once they are done, take them all off and remove any of the blue tack that is on the underside. And now it's time to sanitize and clean all of the nails. So I'll just use a lint-free wipe and some 99% isopropyl alcohol, and I just rub the inside and the top, because we know how much the isopropyl alcohol helps buff and shine, not buff, it just makes the crystals shine just much more, doesn't it? Just removes any waxy coating. So I do that, I line everything up, and I get the, I don't know what this is called, like 3M tape or something. It's like sticky swidgy double-sided sticky tape, but it's amazing. It's so sticky, everything just kept on sticking to my gloves. But I put 2 lines of that down, and I get my tweezers and I peel back the red tape. I can hear a cat meowing. And then I've got a large, long wooden cuticle stick, and I've put a wedge of blue tack on the end of it, and it's great for picking up the tips so that I don't put any fingerprints on them. Or if I'm wearing nails myself, can be a bit fiddly to pick them up. But yeah, this works amazingly well. So I usually, sometimes I forget, but I usually put thumb, index, middle, ring, pinky, and then on the next line, pinky, ring, middle, index, thumb. So that is what I have done on that one. And then I put them in a holographic sealable bag, because hollow again. And I have all the instructions on the back, how to apply and how to remove safely, all my doodads on the front, all my information, and a thank you for purchasing and my little logo, and then always a buffing block and a tiny little file, tiny cuticle stick, little orange wood stick, and if you are in the UK, a tube of glue. If it is the rest of the world, we're not allowed to ship bottles of glue, so you have the sticky nail tabs, and then they go in a big well, it's not that big, a large letter jiffy bag. This can only fit 2 press on nail sets in. So if you order more than that, I either put them in multiple of these or I'll go and get a bigger one. And then my lovely, lovely homemade sticker for my little nail room logo. I'm so proud of these. Made them myself. I love it. And that just goes over the, you know, the bit that you rip off when you want to open your present. That bit. And let's say I usually put the name and address on first before packaging, but I didn't want to put the name and address on for, you know, safety reasons, security reasons, it's confidentiality and all that. Postclass stamp, because UK, yeah. If it was somewhere else, I'd have to take it to the post office, or if I wanted tracking, if someone wanted to pay extra for tracking, I'd go to the post office. But now all that's left to do is put the address on, and that is it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye.